Now, in this part, we are going to talk about how we can delete a record from our database using Query Builder. So let's create a new method inside our controller. So let's type here public function delete data, and in here we have to again type same thing that we did for update. We have to type db : table. Then we have to type our condition first let's type our table names. In our case, students. Then after that, our condition. So I want to delete the ID of 203. So I will type where ID is equal to 203. Then after that, dash delete. Let's return something as well. So let's return deleted successfully. Now let's create a route for this one. So let's type delete data. Then same thing we did with our others. So I will call my students controller class and my method name. Now let's close this. Okay, let's paste it here. Now let's go to our browser and to this URL, enter. Okay, let's save this. Let's go back, refresh. Okay, we got our message deleted successfully. Now, if I go to my inside my database, refresh, there is no record with the ID of 203. We can do same with delete another record as well. Let's delete 200, or let's delete all records which are greater than with 203, whose the now this will delete all the records where the ID is greater than 203. So let's go back, refresh. Now let's go back to our database. Now in here, as you guys can see, I have only a single record where the record ID is less than 203. The rest, all of them has been deleted.